Hi, I'm Dr. Sunil Richardson. We have with us this young handsome guy, and we have done genioplasty with jaw sculpting for him. You can look, this was his before. You can see how his lower lip was everted. There was a very severe fold and his lower third significantly less. And now you see him right there, 6 weeks after we did the procedure, and he just come for a regular review, and you can see the balance that we've achieved. And I was just telling him it's going to only get better. There's still very minimal healing to be done, so it'll get really nice. So you want to tell our subscribers something about your result? So by the way, he's a physician, he's a medical doctor. So what he says, I think, has more value. So can you tell our subscribers what your experience was so far? Tamil சொல்லுங்க, no problem.
ஆரம்பத்தில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப ரெட்ரூடாக இருந்துச்சு. அப்போ வந்து ஒரு பப்ளிக் பிளேஸ் போனாவே வந்து பைட் பண்ணும்போது ரொம்ப அசிங்கமாக இருக்கும். பசங்களாம் கேட்பாங்க என்ன வித்தியாசமாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு.
So what he says is that in the beginning he was having, apart from the problem, also issues with his confidence, and that has become better, right? You're more self-confident now. Really strong chin is strong personality. And many patients have told us that apart from doing a genioplasty, the only other procedure that gives them a lot of confidence is hair transplantation. I'm just saying, this gives people confidence to, to boldly go and talk to others, to be able to tell your views. So that's perfect. Apro, I want you to tell us, how is it in the pain? Pain la irundhucha?
No pain.
See that? No pain again. All right. And how satisfied are you right now?
I'm so satisfied.
Very satisfied?
I feel better.
You're feeling very nice. We're very happy that you came for a review. He's come for a review because he doesn't live very far from us. Lot of our patients are living in, 2,000, 5,000 kilometers away. And so it's very difficult for them to come for just a review. But he doesn't live very far, so he's come for a review. I'm going to show you some other views also. Okay, you can turn this side. And look at that. Improvement we've got in both the horizontal and vertical dimension. I've still left his chin broad. You can see that it's still pretty broad. It's broader than his nasal base, so that's how it should be. And we're going to show you some other views. This view and then side views. The other side also. And look at that. Remarkable improvement in the facial proportions, in the facial dimensions, in the lower third of the face. All right. So now I'm going to show you the first pic again. So you see the comparison for one last time, and then we're going to go off to the scans, the before after scans. Here we have, so I think you can see this, friends. I mean, this is him, and this was before and this was after. I think you can very clearly see this was the jaw before was cut. Here I've cut and moved it forward. This was 14 millimeters and now it's 24 almost. So we have got 10 millimeters of horizontal advancement. Okay. And now I'm also going to show you the vertical advancement on this thing. So this is going to be on the post-operative. So about 6 millimeters of vertical augmentation is also seen in this particular view. Now we can move on to many other views. So I'm first going to move on to the 3D view. This is him before, this is him after. And you can see the amount of advancement that has been done. And this kind of internal work has brought about that kind of result. He has no muscle incarceration, he has no numbness, he has no other issues. And we're going to show you the other view also, the other side. And I'm going to move on and show you some other sagittal views. And this view you will be able to compare more again. Look at the implant here. We can compare this and this side, and you will see that the cut is gone quite back. Okay. Let me also show you the changes in the axial view. Axial view is when you are making slices like this, and this is the upper jaw. We need to get to the lower jaw. So now you are going to see the implants. There you see this is the plate and screws, and there you see. So this is the kind of advancement. Again, you can see about 10 millimeters there, and these are the implants on the lower jaw. And you can see here again what's happening. So this was the same area. Now the chin is wider because we've got it forwards, and you can see this is one screw and another screw there. And this view you can also very clearly appreciate the vertical augmentation that we've done. So it's about 5 mm. On the earlier view I said 6 mm. So it's about 5 to 6 mm result end vertical augmentation that is remaining for him. And we're also going to show you that's the implants that you see, the plates and screws. But you see here the augmentation is more at this height. Here it's about probably 6-7 millimeters, 6 millimeters. And now you see, this is the beauty now. The mandible is missing, and here you see so much of the mandible is left. This is because we're making cuts like this. So when you make cuts like this, you know how much of the jaw has come forward. So that's what you see here. And so while there's no jaw, now there's jawbone here, and then that's where it ends. So really, this is a technique by which we can get excellent, permanent, lifelong results. The risks and side effects are almost not existent if it's done by an experienced expert surgeon. And so if you have any issues with relation to your jaw proportions, or you don't feel that confident because of a weak chin, or there's any issues that could be corrected in the face, you can shoot us your questions and pictures to our WhatsApp, and we'll be more than happy to give you an opinion and a solution for that. Thank you.